All right, it's Monday, so we're going to take a look at a few things. First things first, I received a purchase agreement this morning in my inbox for a home in Brantford for $325,000. Haven't seen that price point in a while, and yes, a house, not a condo, by the way. So those properties are out there if you can find them. So there are some good deals happening right now. Is it the best time to buy? Is it, that's all debatable. But the reality is there are some price points that are pretty low and can be scooped up by first-time home buyers and investors at this point who might see the value there if the cap rates are available on these properties. Now pivoting to oil, oil is still under 60 bucks a barrel, which is danger territory. As we went over before, unemployment in the oil sector, it's also a major recession indicator as well, which of course it's obvious Canada is in a recession and pretty much the US is as well. We seem to be under like almost a global recession at this point. And there was a bit of a shock to gold prices. A mine was discovered that has about $83 billion worth of gold projected that they have found. So that's going to add more gold supply to the market. And as you know, supply and demand, there is a reaction to that. And that reaction was a bit of a drop in gold prices. And of course, people took their money out of gold and more than likely dumped it in Bitcoin because Bitcoin's been going up. Plus, Bitcoin's been going up because of the trade talks that are happening between China and the US, which seem to be going in the right direction. The rhetoric has tempered down there. So we have another wild week of information coming out. I mentioned this yesterday. We're going to have more and more trade talks, and we're going to have more and more economic data coming out this week, especially inflation data. But that inflation data is probably not going to make that much of a difference to the Federal Reserve and the Bank of Canada's decisions at the end of this month.